हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल योजना ऑफिशियल। आज मैं आपको एनाटॉमी की रिकॉर्ड बुक शो करने जा रही हूँ। यह है सेल का स्ट्रक्चर, जिसमें मैंने डायग्राम भी बनाया हुआ है सेल का। इसमें सारी पार्ट्स को शो किया है, जैसे कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, सेंट्रोसोम, लाइजोसोम। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, स्मूथ एंड रफ. दिस इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. दिस इज गोल्गी apparatus, and these outer covering is known as plasma membrane. Introduction, definition, size and shape of cell. Then parts of cell, plasma membrane. Functions, three parts of cell: plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is divided into two parts: cytosol and cell organelle. Then nucleus, cytoplasm. These are all about cell: Golgi apparatus, lysosome, cytoskeleton, centrosome, vacuoles. And the second structure is tissue. Group of cells is also known as tissues. These are types of tissues: simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium and stratified epithelium. Types of epithelial tissue. There are many types, but mainly four types of tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue. But epithelial tissue is divided into subcategories. First, simple epithelium. These are their subcategory. Then stratified epithelium, and this is their subcategory. Then second is connective tissue. This function of connective tissue. This is structure of loose connective tissue, and this is a reticular tissue. Connective tissue is divided into many categories. First, mainly two. First, general connective tissue, and second, special connective tissue. General connective tissue have mainly two types: loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. Special connective tissue divided into mainly three categories: cartilage, bones and blood. First, cartilage is divided into three types: hyaline cartilage, fibrous cartilage and elastic fibrocartilage. These diagrams show hyaline cartilage, and this is fibrous cartilage, and this is elastic fibrocartilage. Then third is nervous tissue. Fourth is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue divided into three categories: skeletal, smooth or cardiac. Skeletal, smooth and cardiac. Then blood cells. What is blood cells? Blood is fluid connective tissue. It circulates constantly around the body. Then blood cells. There are three types of blood cells: RBCs, WBCs and platelets. This is the structure of RBCs. RBC का नॉर्मल काउंट कितना होता है? इन मेल्स 4.5 to 5.5 million per mm cube. In females 4 to 5 million per mm cube. In fetus 7 to 8 million mm cube. Then after that, WBCs. WBC is also known as leukocytes. Types of WBCs: granulocyte and agranulocyte. Granulocyte have three categories: neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. These are structures of WBCs: neutrophil, eosinophil and basophil. Then second is agranulocytes. These divided into two types: monocytes and lymphocytes. This is structure of monocyte and this is lymphocyte. After that, platelets. Platelets is also known as thrombocytes. This is structure of platelets. I can show you the structure of platelet. Then lymph nodes. This is introduction, this is structure and then function of lymph nodes. This diagram show lymph node. This outer covering is capsule, and these vessels are lymph vessels. There are some valves present in the lymph vessels, work as filtration of lymph. Then structure of spleen. This is diagram of spleen. This is all about spleen. After that, neuron. This is introduction of neuron. Then structure of neurons. There are three categories or three parts of neuron. Cell body axon dendrites. Dendrites have divided by synapse which contain neurotransmitters. Then function of neuron. This is structure of neuron. These are dendrites, middle is cell body, and this tail-like structure is axon. Then in last part of neuron, these are terminal buttons. After that, brain. This is introduction of brain. Its parts are cerebrum, hypothalamus, thalamus, midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata, cerebellum. First, cerebrum. Where is cerebrum? This part is called cerebrum. After that, thalamus. This part is known as thalamus. Then hypothalamus. This is hypothalamus. These all are the parts of brain. Pons, medulla oblongata, cerebellum. Function of brain. Brain control our thoughts, memory and speech, movement of arms,